Okay, good morning, students. Dear student, today I am going to start the explain the question answer of chapter number 3rd in geography, mineral and power resources. So, dear student, these question answers again I am going to explain and sending to all of you. You will write these question answers very carefully and you will try to understand what is the meaning. These question answers and exercise of chapter 3rd, book based question answer, and these question answer I already sent it in your group. The student already had written these question answer very well, but again today I am going to explain and you will try to understand what is the meaning of these question answers, and one who didn't write these question answer, they will write and understand. My first question is, name any 3 common minerals used by you every day. वो कौन सा एक मिनरल है, वो कौन से खनिज पदार्थ हैं, उनके नाम जो डेली हम लोग अपने यूज यानी प्रयोग में मुख्यतः लाते हैं. These question answers are very important. So answer of this question, dear children, see this answer: salt, gold and copper. यानी salt नमक, गोल्ड सोना और कॉपर तांबा. राइट. are 3 common minerals used every day. So this question is very important, right? Second, what is ore? What is ore and where are the ores of metallic minerals generally located? See this question, answer is here. When we get any minerals from underground as a rock form, rock form में जब डायरेक्टली हम किसी माइन से किसी खनिज को निकालते हैं, that is mineral is known as ore. यानी जो ऐसे खनिज जो डायरेक्ट जब खान से उनको निकाला जाता है, यानी कच्चे माल के रूप में किसी मिनरल को जब खान से बाहर निकालते हैं, तब ये मिनरल ओर के रूप में जाना जाता है. इसको आयरन ओर कहते हैं. फॉर एनी मिनरल्स टू बी कॉल्ड ore of any mineral, it is must contain minimum adequate quantity of that minerals so that it can be extracted profitably, right? This is answer of this question, what is ore and where are ore's metallic mineral generally located, right? Yeah. Name two regions rich in the natural gas resources. Name two region, an area, country where natural gas located in a huge capacity, right? These are regions in the world. Number one, the biggest country of the Asia continent, like this Russia and Norway. These are two important regions of the world. Have lot of natural gas resources. Next आता है which resources of energy would you suggest for, right? Dear children, like the rural areas, coastal areas, arid regions. ये जो एरिया हैं ये किस प्रकार की एनर्जी में अधिकतर यूज करते हैं बताना। नंबर वन, जैसे रूरल एरिया है, हमारा ग्रामीण क्षेत्र है, रिमोट एरिया है, these types of areas generate biogas, bioenergy. Mostly the bioenergy would suggested for the rural areas. Hydel and tidal, यानी hydel energy and tidal energy. For coastal areas, coastal area, the areas located near the sea, ocean, समुद्र तटीय क्षेत्र, called is coastal areas. These areas use hydel energy and tidal energy. So, dear children, these two types of energy consumed by these people who established near the coastal region or coastal areas. Arid region, wind and solar energy for arid regions. Arid regions means like desert region. जो डिजर्ट रीजन्स हैं, रेगिस्तानी क्षेत्र हैं, एंड एज वेल एज हाइट रीजन, पहाड़ी क्षेत्र हैं, इन क्षेत्रों में जो मोस्टली एनर्जी का डेवलपमेंट और यूज विंड और सोलर एनर्जी होता है. तो दिस क्वेश्चन आल्सो वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ give 5 ways in which you can save energy at home? बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. दिस आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फॉर एवरीबॉडी. 5 ऐसे रास्ते बताने हैं, तरीके बताने हैं, नियम बताने हैं जिनके द्वारा हम अपनी घरेलू एनर्जी को बचा सकें. एंड दीज 5 ways you can apply, and by these 5 ways you can save the energy entire your home, right? These are 5 ways in which energy can be saved at home. Number 1, switching off light. If you are out of home and suppose that no requirement of the light, so you have switch off the light. आपको जब बिजली यूज नहीं करनी है, जिसका रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है, that time you have switch off the light, fans and other electricals applications. हमें जिस या जो भी एप्लीकेशन, लाइट एप्लीकेशन we are not using, that time we have to switch off that application of light. So in this way we can save light, right? दूसरा, by seeing to it that electrical devices are operating effectively. For example, defrosting refrigerator regularly and not keeping to refrigerator door open for longer than necessary. कुछ एप्लीकेशंस ऐसे होते हैं जो कंटिन्यू हमारे घरों में लाइट का प्रयोग होता है. ऐसे एप्लीकेशंस को, जैसे रेफ्रिजरेटर है, हमारा फ्रिज है, हम ऐसे फ्रिज उस टाइम फ्रिज का डोर लंबे समय तक ना खोलें, उसे क्लोज रखें, जिससे कि उसका एयर जो ठंडक है वो बाहर ना निकल पाए. नेक्स्ट, using energy efficient device such as fluorescent bulbs and tubes. Using energy efficiently while cooking, for example keeping the lids of pans on while cooking. खाना बनाते समय हमें एनर्जी को सेव करने के लिए कुकर का ढक्कन यानी लिड या किसी पैन भगोने का ढक्कन नहीं हटाना है. हमें हर एक ईटेबल मटेरियल को कुकिंग करते समय उसको ढककर, लिड को ढककर बनाना, जिससे कि वो जल्दी पक जाए. दिस वे यू कैन सेव एनर्जी. Unplugging electrical device when not to use prevent leakage of the electricity, thus saving energy. बिना स्विच का कोई भी एप्लीकेशन, इलेक्ट्रिकल डिवाइस यूज नहीं करना है, क्योंकि ये कंटिन्यू यूज किया जा सकता है. तो इसलिए हमको ये डिवाइस बिना स्विच का, अगर कोई भी डिवाइस यूज करते हैं तो उसमें स्विच जरूर होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, Which one of the following is not characteristics of minerals? ये चार ऑप्शंस, these are four ऑप्शन गिवन, इसमें कौन सा ऐसा चीज है जो मिनरल्स की विशेषता या विशेष नहीं है? दे आर क्रिएटेड बाय नेचर प्रोसेस, दे हैव द डेफिनेट केमिकल कंपोजिशन, दे आर inaccessible, their distributions is even. तो इसमें जो है ये वाला जो विशेषता है वो नहीं होती है, दे आर इन हॉक्सटेबल. ठीक है. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ मिका? मिका किस स्टेट में नहीं पाया जाता है? आप राइट करेंगे आंसर कर्नाटका. राइट इज ये वाला, ये है हमारा कर्नाटक आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन दिस, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ कॉपर इन वर्ल्ड? कॉपर का सबसे ज्यादा उत्पादन करने वाला एरिया कहां होता है? चाइल. ये देखिए चाइल, तो इसका आंसर होगा हमारा चाइल. ठीक है. Which one of the following practice will not conserve LPG in your kitchen? Cooking food in an open pan kept on low flame. ठीक है. हमें किस विधि से एलपीजी यानी गैस किचन में खाना बनाना चाहिए? वो हमारा क्या है, हमें लो फ्लेम करनी चाहिए और अपने हर एक टाइप के फूड को ढककर बनाना चाहिए. ठीक है. तो ये तो हुए हमारे एमसीक्यू. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग हियर, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ द मिनरल नॉट, दे आर इन एक्सहॉस्टिबल. दूसरा, विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ मिका? कर्नाटका. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द लीडिंग प्रोड्यूसर ऑफ द कॉपर इन द वर्ल्ड? चाइल. जो चाइल है और दिस कंट्री इज लीडिंग and huge producer of mica. Which one of the following practice will not conserve LPG in your kitchen? Cooking food in open pan and kept on low flame. कम फ्लेम, और अगर आप उसका लिड ओपन कर देंगे तो इसमें आपकी एनर्जी कंजर्व नहीं हो सकती है. रीजन, दीज आर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. द रीजन नंबर 1 क्या है? इन्वायरमेंटल एस्पेक्ट मस्ट बी केयरफुली लोकेटेड इनटू before building huge dams. This one is environmental aspect must be carefully located into before the building huge dams because of the following reason. Dams create imbalance in the earth and equilibrium. Next, deforestation leads to environmental pollution. Next, people become displaced. Next, cities, villages, towns may require shifting, causing lot of hardships of the poor peoples. So these important causes. Next, flood threats loom large. Earthquake threats and silting of the lakes is a problem. Next, most industries are concentrated around coal mines. Answer will be coal is used as a source of energy and power and also as a raw material. It most of the industries and most industries are concentrated around coal mines of the people saving cost of the transportations of the coal energies and cost effectiveness. Next आता है petroleum is the referred to as the black gold. Petroleum is referred to as the black gold because it is the black in color, like coal. The crude form, and it is the derivatives are the extremely valuable as the petroleum itself. Today, it is almost inevitable to our day-to-day life. A variety of the produce like the kerosene, diesel, petrol, bulks, plastics, lubricants, etc. are the producers from these minerals resources. Next, quarrying can become a major environmental concerns. Quarrying can become the major environmental concern because of the following reasons. Dear children, see this? It may destroy the humus of the soil, which is must require for the growth of the plants and crops. Dear children, it produces a lot of noise pollutions due to use of the explosives time in the order to break the huge chunk of the rocks. A student, in the process of the quarrying, a lot of dust is generated, which causing air pollution and also the occupational hazard. Blasting dance process of the quarrying generates vibrate which is changed in the nearby buildings, dam or any other similar structure. So dear student, these 4 reasons are very important. Any one reason maybe come in the exam. So these are reasons you will learn carefully. Okay. Now these are distinguished between the following. Number 1, conventional and non-conventional energies. Conventional energy have been in common use for long time. Non-conventional are not commonly used. Are generally accessible, are mostly polluting, are mostly non-polluting. Example, firewood, Example, solar energy and nuclear energy. So non-conventional energy, I think that it is very, very important for this pollution less energy. Second, this one, biogas and natural gas. This also you will write in your notebook. Second, this ferrous and non-ferrous, and metallic and non-metallic. So number one, see this, and dear student, so you will write this carefully answers. ठीक है?